Trader update alerts. We have the Dow Jones index. We can see the big drop off of the highs up here after making an all-time high. We've had a pullback. We can see that if we break that support level, we go lower. On the SPX index alert, we are testing the 10-day that's rising. We see it coming to the 20 and possibly down to 56.50. I will tell you that the market is starting to show weakness, and we see it there. That's the trend line right there. SPX alert, lower lows on the horizon. Okay, we'll go down to the NASDAQ composite. NASDAQ composite sitting right on that rising 10-day. When the 10-day rises to get support, you can see it right here. Let me draw a trend line for you, trader. There it is. That's the key. A break below there, we go a lot lower. Let's go to, once again, the heavy AI NASDAQ 100. Testing the 10-day moving average. It has a consolidation. It has a top resistance. When we break below that 20, then we go much lower from there. This is the daily market wrap update on the key indexes. Let me show one more. The RUI. It too is testing the 10-day with the consolidation. We see that if it breaks, it comes to the 20 and so forth. We can see that this is a key index. Market wrap is over. Trader, trader, trader.